Hey everyone, Susie here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how you invest instead of save. So before I jump into this video also, if you like the channel and the content that Michael and I are putting out, please go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel above. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified when we release new content. All right, let's get into it. You might make it over the prison wall, you know what I mean? Away from your 9 to 5, but whether you get caught again and have to go back is up to you. This is the step that I have seen people from corporate land fall back time and time again. They leave their job and end up right where they started, often worse off. And I definitely don't want you to go back there. Anyone can escape a 9 to 5 job. Staying away is the hard part. The way you stay away from your old 9 to 5 job is to do this. Invest instead of save. So here is escape plan tip number 7. Woo, 7. So invest in assets that make you money. Take some money off the table and hide it for a rainy day. I've seen many people get wiped out from the last recession because they didn't put money aside for that rainy day, that rainy month, year, or couple of years. So choose your poison. My poison is real estate. If you save your money rather than invest it, money printing by governments, inflation, and temptation to buy stuff you don't need will make you go backward financially and eventually right back to that 9 to 5, exactly where you don't want to go. So invest your money in a money-making vehicle. If your YouTube channel makes money, put your money back into it. If your website makes you money through the sale of goods, whether that's real estate investing or something else, you have to put money back in to invest in it. Many people make money online or through real estate investing or whatever that means is, and then don't reinvest some of the profits back. Investing the profits helps you minimize tax and grow your audience, which is a win-win no matter what. And a great quote by Benjamin Franklin is, "An investment in knowledge pays the best interest." So I hope you found value in this video, and don't forget to stay tuned for the remaining 3 videos that will follow. So until next time, explore more, adventure awaits. Woo!